Welcome to Tectonic Nights channel. Here's day 12 of solving easy LeetCode problems in Python. Today's problem is special array with x elements greater than or equal to x. We are given an array nums and we need to find x such that we have x number of elements in an array that's greater than or equal to x. Note that x does not have to be an element in nums. Let's walk through an example array. Say x is 2, there should be 2 elements that's greater than or equal to 2 in the array. But here we have 3 elements, 3, 4 and 4. Say x is equal to 3, there should be 3 elements in the array that's greater than or equal to 3. In this case, we do have 3 elements that are greater than or equal to 3, so we return this value. We can break down this problem into 2 tasks. First, we find possible targets, that is, possible values for x. Next, for each possible target, we find the count of elements in the sorted array that are greater than or equal to the target. If count is equal to the target, we return that value. First task is to find a valid range for the target. Let's consider this array. A valid target range for this array is from 1 to 5. Remember that we need to select a target value x such that array contains exactly x elements greater than or equal to the target. Since the array contains only 5 elements, any target greater than 5 is not a valid target. We are also given in the problem that the minimum length of array is 1. So the target cannot be less than 1. Therefore, a valid range for a target is from 1 to array length. Now the next task is to find the first position in the array where the elements are greater than or equal to a target value. To solve this, we can use binary search approach. Let's walk through an example sorted array. Here the selected target is 3. We start by initializing left to first index and right to the last index of the array. We calculate the mid index. The value at mid is 3, which is equal to the target. Since we are searching for the first position where the element is greater than or equal to target, we need to check if there is an earlier position that also satisfies this condition. So we move the right pointer to mid -1 and continue to search the left subarray. Now the value at mid is 0, which is less than the target. If the value at mid is less than the target, we need to search the right half, so we move the left pointer to mid +1. The value at mid is 0 again. We move the left pointer to mid +1, and now the left pointer is greater than right, so we stop the search. Left pointer is now at the first position where the value is greater than or equal to the target. Now that we found the first position, we can easily count the number of elements in the array that are greater than or equal to the target by subtracting the index from the array length. Now let's dive into the coding section. First, we sort the array and store the array length. We define our binary search function that takes a target value as a parameter. We initialize left and right pointers and also define the loop condition to continue searching while left is less than or equal to right. In each iteration, we calculate the mid index. If the value at mid is greater than or equal to the target, we update the right pointer, else we update the left pointer. For each possible target value in the array, we call the binary search function. Once we find the first index where the value is greater than or equal to the target, we subtract this index from the array length. If this count is equal to the target value, we return that target. If no such target is found, we return -1. Time complexity of this approach is O of n log n. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.